I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to get this badge real quick. So, part of how we can work with Google is we can definitely start creating more buy black hashtags and get people to interested in the buy black hashtags. We can take advantage of some of these grants and some of these loans they're gonna do. We can start developing with Flutter, and like I said earlier, I have a Flutter book that I'm gonna leave in there. Is by the time I drop this video, it should be free for about 5 days, and you guys can go on Amazon and get the book and leave a review and let me know what you guys think because I took a lot of time developing this. I've actually created apps with Flutter. My app Loop right behind me was created in Flutter, so I've pretty much ran the gamut in it, and I'm just pretty much taking all of my information that I learned with developing a comprehensive social media app and also just being part of the Flutter community, and I comprised it in a book to help you guys learn it. But enough of that. Let me show you guys how you can get this black on Google hashtag. And as I'm showing you, while I'm trying to find it, I want to tell you guys that at first the name of this video was gonna be "Is Google racist for this black hashtag?" Because I was like, it's kind of weird that they trying to single us out. That was just me kind of thinking crazy. But this is what you do. You can go to Google, right? And you can type in Google Business. Just type in Google Business. So after you type in Google Business, it's gonna say Google My Business, drive customer engagement on YouTube. So you can sign in to your account. I already signed in, I already created an account, but it's fairly easy. You're gonna sign in to your account, created an account, and as you see, I created mine here. And then right here, it says at the bottom here, it says celebrating black owned business, add attributes. And you can add this attribute to your business, right? And I already did it, identified as black owned. So what does this do? Like identifying with black owned, what does this do? We already seen that Google is donating $175 million and also providing training for a lot of African American businesses and black owned businesses. So what this actually does is being able to identify us. A lot of the problem that people suffer from in our community is that we don't even know how to find each other. We go Google searching each other. We don't know if this business is black or not. But at least now, with all of the, Google received a huge spike in searches for black-owned businesses, and basically they have took that and made it very easy for us to even identify each other. My phone looked like it was about to go dead, so I'm about to end this video. But that's what it is. It's just an easy way for us to identify each other. As I showed you, a lot of white people are actually researching black-owned businesses to buy from. So it's a lot of black-owned hype going on right now, and I hope it continues.